A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Digicel is introducing a one-rate plan which will see some customers paying more and others less. The company said at midnight its prepaid customers will start paying $6.50 per minute to make calls. It represents an increase of up to 67% for some customers. Customers on its Gimme 5 plan will, however, see a reduction of up to 60%. The calls are to be billed on a per-second basis. Digicel's one-rate plan replaces a slew of call plans, including Gimme 5, its $3.89, $3.95, and $5.49 offers. Some of the coins used in Jamaica now are to be withdrawn, but what's the thinking behind that move? Dashan Hendricks joins us at the Smartboard to bring us the data guarding the Bank of Jamaica's decision on this matter.
Well, thank you. Well, the Bank of Jamaica last week says that it will be withdrawing all 1, 10, and 25-cent coins from the market about early next year. And it gave two reasons for wanting to do that. One, it says no one wants the coins anymore. And two, they are costing too much to produce. Now, let's look at why no one wants a coin. The Bank of Jamaica is saying that in 2005, of all coins in circulation, practically none of those coins was the 1 cent coin, the same last year. But the 10-cent coin in 2005, about 14% of all coins in circulation was the 10-cent coin. In 2016, that fell to about 2%. The same comparison for the 25-cent coins. In 2005, 11% of coins in circulation was the 25-cent coins. In 2016, it fell to under 2%, and the Bank of Jamaica says no one wants them. In fact, people are simply throwing away the coins, and the Bank of Jamaica says because of that, it redeemed only 16% of all 1, 10, and 25-cent coins that were issued, meaning 84% of those coins was just lost in the system. By comparison with other coins, 52% of those coins was redeemed. Okay. As for the cost to produce these coins, the Bank of Jamaica says the 1 cent coin was costing it $1.73 to produce each 1 cent coin. The 10-cent coin, it was costing the Bank of Jamaica $1.54 to produce each. And the 25-cent coin was costing just about $2 to produce. By comparison, the $5 coin was costing the Bank of Jamaica $3 to produce, the same as the $10. The $20 coin was a bit more expensive to produce at $10 each. Now, the $1 coin, it cost the Bank of Jamaica about $2.30 to make each, but the central bank says it won't be withdrawing these coins from the market because more than 50% of all coins in circulation is $1 coin, meaning people want to have this coin in their possession. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. In the meantime, the Bank of Jamaica says the withdrawal of the coins will only affect cash transactions, so all electronic transactions will continue as usual. The bank says for cash transactions, merchants should simply round up or down to the nearest dollar. If the cents on a product is below 50, should be rounded down, while a price above 50 cents should be rounded up. The cost of the US dollar jumped today, pushing that currency's value to $131.17. The Canadian dollar is costing $108.04. The pound sterling is selling for $175.99, while the euro is going for $157.23. And the JC index gained more than 3,925 points today, while the junior market index lost 7. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Caribbean Producers, Honeybun, the KLE Group, Mayberry Investments, Proven Investments, Seprod, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Grace Kennedy, the JMB Group, Lasco Manufacturing, and Salada Foods. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.
Business Day.